Anyone that's worked, well, really anywhere, but specifically in manufacturing, will be surprised that you can have a great career here with zero experience coming in. We train you everything you need to know. We supply all the tooling you need. You can really start at zero and make a great career here.
We're all about trying to find the right individual for the job. And once we have that individual we can kind of trust to show up and do their job, we're more than happy to work with them, advance them wherever. And I would say that's probably the biggest part, just how unmicromanagey it is. You kind of come in, you set your own day, and then you just go about it.
One of my favorite things about working in the manufacturing industry is making something out of nothing. We get the raw material and we create parts that are pretty valuable in the industry.
It's a very much an environment that fosters kind of creativity, productivity. Everybody's very comfortable with one another, very helpful, very friendly, and it just feels like I'm going through work with a pretty close friend group.
For an AMPG employee, we're looking for somebody that's motivated, enthusiastic about wanting to learn. We're looking for somebody who's a team player. We're looking for somebody that just wants to grow, just wants to be part of something big, part of something amazing, and I think that's what we have here at AMPG. We want someone that can collaborate. We want someone that just is looking for a career and wants to be at one place for a very long time with amazing people. So if that's what you're looking for, you will find that here at AMPG.